Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening System Settings and navigating directly to Network. This gets you where the hotspot controls live. Once there, enable Personal Hotspot and create a secure WPA2 or WPA3 password. This protects devices that join. Make sure to note the hotspot name and choose the right band. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed. Also check the maximum connections so you don't overload the MacBook Pro. Now, keep the settings window open for the next steps. Once done, configure the hotspot band and channel to avoid interference. Choose 5 GHz for best throughput when devices are nearby. Then enable internet sharing from the correct interface, Wi-Fi or your Ethernet/cellular source, and confirm auto join is allowed so devices reconnect smoothly. You should connect a single test device now to verify it receives an IP address, correct DNS, and internet access. If that test works, you're ready to add more devices carefully to maintain performance. To finish, limit concurrent connections and monitor bandwidth so the MacBook Pro doesn't slow under load. This preserves performance. Make sure to disable the hotspot when you're done to save battery and reduce exposure. If something goes wrong, first restart the Mac's Wi-Fi, then have the client device forget and rejoin the network. If that fails, renew the DHCP lease or reset network settings. These steps clear common conflicts and usually restore connectivity quickly. Try them in that order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.